Kid Zone with Trishy. Frozen, the Christmas party. It is almost Christmas. Elsa invites the whole kingdom to celebrate. Elsa uses her magic to make ice sculptures. Anna brings out treats. Sven helps decorate the tree. Kristoff practices singing carols. Olaf bakes Christmas cookies. Elsa makes sure he does not get too close to the oven. The closets are stuffed with gifts. The desserts are ready. Everything inside the castle looks great. Anna wants Elsa to look outside. The sisters go to the window. The villagers are having fun. They love the snow and ice. We have worked hard, Anna tells Elsa. We can have some fun. The sisters go outside to play in the snow. They have a snowball fight. This is fun, says Elsa. But soon it is time to get ready for the party. Later, Anna knocks on Elsa's door. Elsa opens it and smiles. Parties are great, but sisters are the best. The end.